Okay. There we have it. Okay. Now, see, our new horn is installed. Okay. I like what I said. I had to cut the original connector, which was this one right here. See, that's the wire, the red and the black. Okay, you look here, red wire. Okay, and black wire, red and black. Connected the prongs. Connectors now. Gotta wrap some tape around this and put some tape around this from water and corrosion. Yeah, I'll put some plastic tapes around these from water and corrosion. Now let's see if it works. Let's see the proof of the motor. All right, now we're gonna come in here and we're gonna depress our horn. Stand by. Ooh, we good. All right, there you have it. How to replace your horn yourself on a 2019 Hyundai Accent. I don't really see a lot of videos on YouTube, but now I'm posting out this one. Hopefully it gets a lot of views. Okay, if you like this video, okay, you can just subscribe, like, or share. All right, and I'll see you in more do-it-yourself videos or more videos that can help you with your vehicle.